Hey there, it's Kina from SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the March 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Free Spirit. I'm so excited to get into this. If you're interested in seeing what's in this kit, stay tuned. So y'all, here is the menu insert card for this month. It has the artwork from the digitals. If you pre-order your kit, then you know all about these digitals, ma'am. You don't want to miss them. So on the back, we do have a list of what's inside the kit. And if you're new here, I do go in the order of what's here on the card. So let's go ahead and get started. First item up is this sticky note set. Y'all, this is giving me all the Pantone card vibes and paint sample vibes, and I'm always here for those. So here is the sticky note set. We have this color here, today and date, this purplish lavender color that says reminder, and we have check boxes for important and urgent. This tannish color, kind of peachy, that says to do, and a check box for now and later. And then this gray color here that says plans, check box for personal and work. So here is the sticky note set in this month's kit. Next item up, we have this Macrame, I'm butchering that, keychain charm. Mine came a little bit broken, so let's get in here and see how damaged it is. And then we will, probably have to reach out. But the good thing about VillaBeauTIFFul's customer service is they almost immediately respond, and they take care of it. So it doesn't look like it's damaged. Look like it was just an extra ring in there. Boom, bang, pow. Thank God for that. We don't have to do anything. Y'all, this keychain is super cute. Let's go ahead and throw this away. This keychain is super cute. Here's the VB heart logo. If you know, you know. So here is the Macrame. If I'm butchering that, y'all, pronounce it down in the description box. Do y'all see the glitter? Let me get close. Y'all need to see the glitter in this keychain. It's so cute. Yes. So here is the keychain in this month's box. The next item in the box are the washi tapes. So we have this Abstract Free Spirit 15mm washi tape, and we usually always get a 15mm and then a 7.5mm washi roll. So here is the 15mm. Again, it is called Abstract Free Spirit. And if I can get it off the roll, come on, let's do this. Thank you. Y'all, that is so pretty there. Oh my God, that's probably one of my favorites to come out of VillaBeauTIFFul. Tiffany, you did that, baby. And then it has what looks like gunmetal colored foil throughout. And then we have the 7.5mm roll that has these mini neutral colored rainbows, and it is so adorable. Come on, come off the roll. Don't be hard, don't be difficult. Thank you. So we have our mini rainbows, y'all. This is just the perfect match. This is so pretty here. So these are the washi tapes in this month's box. The next item is my second favorite part of each kit. Y'all, I love the sticker books. Ooh, child. So we have the March 2021 Free Spirit. If you look at the back, you'll always get a preview of the sheets that are in here, and then you get your mini deco sheet. Ooh, y'all, this gunmetal foil is everything, okay? So let's flip through the sticker book. So we have our full boxes. I can and I will. We have our icons, some banners, some pay bill stickers, some more icons, and a flag here in the middle. We've got some more full boxes, some clipboards, and some quarter boxes down here. We've got some half boxes, y'all. I love the gunmetal foil. It is so pretty. We've got some headers. We've got some double quarter boxes and some scallop boxes here. And then we have our deco sheet. I love the flat lays. I know I mention this almost every month. These flat lays are just everything. We've got our checklists, our flags, more flags and more flags. We've got our 2 sets of date covers. Whew, y'all, I love this. I love both of these sets this month. Oh my goodness. We've got our double boxes and some hexagons here. And that is the sticker book for the month. Next item up, we have these transparent boxes page flag set. So if you are a hardcore, you've been around for a while, then you know that these transparent flags have been coming in all shapes and sizes and colors. First of all, thank you, Tiffany, for giving us a little bit more lip over here for those of us that like to punch this and put it in our planner. If you don't punch this and put it in your planner, you don't know what you're missing. So we have the 3 page flags here in the 3 colors. I love this lavender color and the mauve. Y'all know I'm always here for mauve. And then we have this nude color. Look how pretty those are, y'all. So this is the transparent boxes page flag set. So the next item up is a new item. If you haven't seen Tiffany's unboxing video, you need to see it because this threw me for a loop. I said, look at this. I've not seen this in any other shop, so I can say it still. So this is called a washi roll word stickers. So it's pretty much washi, right? In the way that it rolls out like washi. And then if it allows me to open it up, oh come on. So that's the tape. You'll see here, for example, note is actually a washi sticker. Isn't that so cute, y'all? That is different. I've never seen that before. That is pretty awesome. I like that. And then you have to do plan by, uh-oh, am I missing one? Oh, it came off with the tape. Focus today, reminder, note. So y'all, we've got the washi words, and then right behind it, really, we've got the washi deco. So it is the same concept. It does the same thing. It's just that this is deco, those are words. So let's see what we have here. So on this roll, I try to save that one down there, but it don't want to be saved. We've got the pen for the month. We've got these dots here, glasses. We've got a plant, succulent plant. We've got this abstract. I was trying to see the cutout. And then we have some more abstract, and then we're back to the pen for the month. So this is the washi roll deco stickers. The next item is quickly becoming one of my favorites and something I look forward to every month. I'm not a big fan of task cards. I don't use them in my planner. They just don't have a place in my planner. But these transparent cards are deco, and they go in the pockets in the front of my planner. So we got plenty of them this month. We've got a flat lay. Hello, good vibes. So y'all, do y'all see these transparent cards? They are everything. Isn't it cute? So these are the transparent cards in this month's kit. Next up, y'all know what it is. My favorite item in every kit, the pen. First of all, baby, would y'all look at the color? It's matte. It's got gunmetal hardware. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all need to see this. Throw that away. We don't keep those. Do y'all see this pen? You need to get closer because you need to see this pen. Look at this. This peachy nude. I'm gonna call it naked. Naked. This, I've renamed this pen, Tiffany. It's no longer called Free Spirit. It's called Naked, one and the same. It's got the gunmetal hardware. It's got these nude, peachy, champagne colored crystals down in there. Y'all, this is so pretty. So this is the Crystal VB pen. It is officially titled Free Spirit, just like the name of the kit. And has the black, it comes automatically with the black gel ink. If you go on the website, you can find occasionally the blue gel ink refills. Every pen you purchase or receive from VillaBeauTIFFul will come with an ink refill. So here is the pen for the month. Y'all, look at that. Naked. Yes. The next item up, we have this abstract silhouette enamel charm. More charms for my planner. Yes, she is pretty. Look at her. Bow. Hair, deal with it. Yes, with the matching gunmetal with the rest of the kit. I love it. She's going right on my planner immediately. This is the abstract silhouette enamel charm. The next item up, we have not seen this in quite a while, probably about a year now, is this My Pretty Pens abstract rainbow pen sleeve. So soft, y'all. If y'all have more than one of these from VillaBeauTIFFul from about a year ago, you know how awesome this pen sleeve is and how good it feels, how soft it is. Yes, ma'am. Here for that. So, get in there. This is the abstract rainbow pen sleeve. Yes. The last item in my kit is the paper pack. Now, if you ordered the basic kit without the paper pack, then obviously you didn't get this. But if you order, and I'm going to always advise that you get the paper pack because they are always worth it. Always. So let's go ahead and go through these papers. Here is the double-sided cardstock. Oh, pretty. Yes. Oh, yes. So we get 4 sheets of cardstock. Oh, yes. And 2 sheets of vellum. So here is the vellum. And oh my God, look at this second sheet. Y'all, this is so pretty. So pretty. So here is the cardstock. Here's a paper pack for the month. So y'all, this is the March 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Free Spirit. If you enjoyed watching this, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.